To print a report on HP OfficeJet Pro 8710 and 8715, what you need to do is you just go to the home screen, which is by pressing that home button over here. Then you're going to scroll this down. On the very left, you'll see the setup menu. It's this gear right here, and we're going to scroll all the way down to where it says reports, and we're going to print. First, we're going to print the status report. And this is what the status report looks like. It's going to show all these numbers here, the page count right there by number 15. There's 412 on this printer. Shows the ink levels and when they were put into the printer. And to print a quality report, we're just going to sell this from the same menu, same steps, and right below the status report is print quality report option. And we're going to print that. It's going to show how good. So this is what the quality report looks like. It shows all colors and how they're printing. We see that the black has a little bit of streaks, and we're going to work on that, or just do one print head cleaning cycle to resolve that. Once again, this is for HP 8710 and 8715 printers.